Car meet of the Titos will be happening. Wow. All right. Car show, 90s band, car display, car trading parts, vloggers, yung mga vloggers, mga magagaling na vloggers will be there. Okay. DJs, car babes, media team, food booth. Yun. May mga pictures dito nung ano. Ito yung inaantabayanan ng mga kagaya nila ano eh. Nila Kuya Attorney ano eh. Attorney Noel eh. Yan. Tsaka ni ano ni Kagawad Milbert Adlawan eh. Tsaka nila ano. Yun yung mga car babes na naka-picture. Yan. You're all invited, ha? Car meet of the Tito's Car Show. Yan, punta po kayo, ha? You're all invited. We will be waiting for you guys. It will be happening January 31 this coming Friday na. Uy, lapit na, ha? It starts at 6 p.m. at the Waterfront Road, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Okay? January 31. Oh, may pasok yan, ha? Baka sabihin nyo naman walang pasok. Yeah, di ba? Ang walang pasok yung ano sa 29 Wednesday dahil ano Chinese New Year. Pero syempre, depende pa rin sa company ninyo. So ask your management. Well, for government offices wala na talaga, di ba? In celebration of Chinese New Year January 29. Yeah. Tapos yung celebration din ng mga kapatid nating Muslim, was it Eid al-Fitr or Eid al-Adha? My apologies sa mga kapatid nating Muslim. Yung isang ano nila, yung isang yung kanilang important celebration, ha? Ayan, gaganapin din. Doon naman nagtataka ako bakit ano pagka Muslim wala kang pasok. Pag non-Muslim may pasok. Eh bakit yung Chinese New Year? O di ba? Di dapat ano rin. Kung Chinese wala pasok. Hindi Chinese melon patok. So, di ba? Sabi nung kaibigan ko Chinese, ano daw, yung palaka, di ba? In English, flag, di ba? Yung bandera din in English, ano? Flag. So, sabi niya, ple-pleho lang yun. Di ba, no, Kuya Milbert? Tama? Ple-pleho lang yun, eh, sabi niya, eh, di ba? Oh. Okay, so again, that's January 29, yung Chinese New Year. So, 30, Thursday, meron din akong invite para sa inyo on the 30th. Oh, di ba? That's Thursday, I mean. Oh, di ba? You're all invited to come and attend and be part of the grand opening at the Harbor Point Ayala Mall. Ayan, grand opening ng ating bingo bonus. Yeah, they will be opening at Ayala Harbor Point Mall. Alam niyo naman yung bingo bonus, 'di ba? Meron sa ano 'yan, meron sa Magsaysay Drive, meron sa Barreto, Castillejos, tapos dito sa RC Building, sa sa RC Building in East Bahak-Bahak Public Market. Ayan, nawawala ako sa sasabihin ko. Palengking bago. Yun. Napaisip kasi ako palengking bago na naman. Tagal-tagal na, palengking bago pa rin. Yun lang yung pangalan. No? I know, may ano naman, may point naman. Hindi na bago, ang tagal na. Pero yun yung nakasanayang pangalan niya. Dalawa kasing palengke magkatapat. East and West, di ba? Pag nasa East, palengking bago. Pag nasa West, palengking luma. Yun. Okay, so mag-o-open na po yung bingo bonus at the Ayala Mall Harbor Point, January 30, 2025, 5 p.m. You're all invited. Join us at the second level right in front of Mang Inasal. Yan, kung alam niyo yung Mang Inasal at the Harbor Point Mall, yun. Just in front of that, okay? For an evening of non-stop fun, expect drum beaters, thrilling bingo tournaments, amazing raffle prizes, and soothing vibes from our acoustic band. It's all happening under one roof, okay? So save the date and bring your game face. The jackpot awaits you, and so does the fun. Bingo bonus, your lucky spot for big wins and unforgettable moments. See you there this Thursday, yan ha. Huwag niyo kakalimutan ha. Kita-kits tayo doon. I'm gonna be there. Yan. Ako yung ako yung magdi-DJ. Dating janitor. Sa Thursday, January 30, second level, Harbor Point Mall, kaharap lang ng Mang Inasal. Okay? So, shout out sa mga friends natin at the bingo party. Ayan, sila Ma'am Ann, sila Ma'am Ange, Ann and Ange. And si Kuya Bunso, Ronald. Tsaka lahat kayo. Lahat kayo dyan. Ha? Shout out. Okay. So it's gonna be once again this coming Thursday, January 30, yung opening ng Bingo Bonus. Sa Bingo Bonus, swerte ka dito. Alright. Okay. So check it out. Kita-kits again. Harbor Point. And of course, magkasunod lang, no? 30 on 31 naman yung Car Meet of the Titos. Iniimbitahan namin kayo ni DJ Albert. Ayan. Si DJ Albert airs every Sunday here. Yung radio show niya, The Dugout. Okay? So, we will be emceeing also for the Car Meet of the Titos. That will be happening at the Waterfront Road, Subic Bay, Freeport Zone, January 31, 2025, Friday, 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Kita-kits tayo mga pare, ha? Yung mga mahilig sa mga sexy cars, the latest trends in the auto industry, di ba? Tapos syempre hindi nawawala mga car babes. Yan. Mga car babes ni DJ Albert yan, tsaka ni Kuya Kimo, malamang. Okay. So may mga band, there's gonna be band that will be performing as well. And of course, the car display. So yung mga mahilig sa sexy fast cars. Kita-kits tayo ha, mga repa ha. Okay? So once again, you guys give me your answers to tonight's topic. Ang topic ulit natin is, nasubukan mo na bang mawalan ng tiwala sa isang tao? Yan yung ating pag-uusapan. Okay? So I will be back with your answers when we return. For the meantime, we will take a